Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and asked how they could change this right here just to 2019. And this is a good vector file that actually helped him design. Go up to Arrange, Group, and Ungroup, and then you can grab those numbers. And because you could do this, and hopefully you're not going to grab them, well, you did, you grabbed part of that. So you could just individually delete them. And as long as you don't grab that other part, you can do it like that. Now, what I suggest people doing, this is, well, it's a little bit different dimension, but 2.749. So I'm going to draw a circle. 2. Well, it can't be 2. Must be 4. 4.749. And I got my ratio locked. 4.749. I unlocked it. 4.749. Now I need to unlock it. 7.749. Now we got a perfect circle. Now what I would do is group this together, Control G, and put it in the center of the page. And you're going to see why in just a second. Now I'm going to select my circle and put it in the center of the page. So it should be right on top of that other line. Set your nudge distance at like 5 inches. Grab that line and nudge it over 5 inches. Then just take your text and go 2019. And I'm not going to worry about the font size or the style of font, because I don't know, I can't remember what this font is. Let's just make it Arial black. And then get it over here and go with it selected, go to text, fit text to path, and put it right there, and then flip it both directions. And whenever you do that, it kind of squishes it up. And I don't like that. So what I would actually do is take this number and reverse it both directions first. Then go up to text, text to path, and see what it did. Now it's kind of still squinching it up because of the circle, but it's better than it was. You could actually take the shape tool and turn it out a little bit and make it a little bit better. And then what I would suggest to do is select all this, because this is the right shape. Go up to Range and Break Text Apart and nudge that over back 2 inches. Now it's not in the perfect center, but change your nudge distance to 0.001 and just nudge this up slowly to where you get it to your liking. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.